अख्खा हिंदुस्थान हलवून गेला. मुघल मावळ्यांना हजारो सैन्यांशी लढून गेला. स्वर्गात ज्याला देवांनी मुक्ता केला आहे असा एक माझा मराठा माझा शुभम गेला. असा एक माझा मराठा शुभम गेला. Respected teacher and sir and my dear friends, today I am speak few words about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So listen it carefully. Firstly, wish you all of you happy Shiv Jayanti. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great king and true warrior. He was the founder of Maratha Empire in India. He was the first person to establish Hindu Empire in India. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19 February 1630 in Maratha family at Pune. His father name was Shaji Raje Bhosle. He was a Jagidar. He was a service of king of the Bijapur. जगणारे जे मावळे होते, जगणारा तो महाराष्ट्र होता, पण स्वतःच्या कुटुंबाला विसरून दुसऱ्याच्या डोक्यावर मायने हात फिरवणारा तोच तर माझा शिवा होता. शिवाजी lived at Bijapur. His mother name was Jijabai. He was a very brave and clever lady. Shivaji got best quality of his character from her. He was a very brave. इतिहासाच्या पानावर रयतेच्या मनावर विश्वासाच्या मातीच्या कणावर विश्वासाच्या प्रमाणावर राज्य करणारा राजा म्हणजे शिवछत्रपती. He married to Saibai in 1614. He made up his mind to free to country for her. Shivaji Maharaj killed Afzal Khan. He was dead on 3 April 1680. He was a very truthful king. Thank you. Guards come on the day for deliver a speech.